The mother is so sick. The mother is so sick. Even my father was like, oh, let them go. No, let them go. Like, now as fast as got it to police station, police must give them something. So they had to rag themselves. I'm sure their daughter had to send them money, to get themselves bailed. You see, most of these people you see here, most of these people on social benefit, like now social benefit, they won't die, Putin. They have, their parents they're nothing to write them about. But yet they will be the one to look for trouble. They'll be the one to do everything. Our parents, that even my father had to even give the mother 10,000 naira. Can you imagine? Hey. So the mom is so sick. The mom is where they even stay. They said is Idogbo, somewhere in Benin, Idogbo. My dad said it's close to Benin bypass, Idogbo, somewhere around there. They are living in one uncompleted building. Instead of the daughter to channel all that, I'm sure that was why she desperately needed 1 million naira so that she can finish her building, But on the, she didn't know that she was just being tricked, right? So that was what happened. But on this, with the daughter, in Deventer, in Netherlands, you people should just forget her with me with that. For some security reasons, I'm not going to talk about. But after we are done, I'm going to. I'll come and give you guys the lowdown. But for now, because the police are involved and there's something I'm actually doing, I don't want to. For security reasons, you guys know now. Once I'm done, even if I can't come publicly to tell you in the group now, you guys know what we do in the group, Everywhere, everywhere, pepper soup. So, please, can somebody invite Ivie Ifase Eriyo and Adesuwa Eriyo of London, Ivie Ifase of Germany, the Aduro Cheledi. Okay, that place, Idogbo, somewhere like that. They said it's very far. That's where her mom lives in an uncompleted building. Her mom is so sick. You see? These people, I don't know. Trouble, they sleep. They go just go look for her. Can't wake trouble up. So that was what happened. But I'm taking care of that. Everything is in order. Thank you so much for your love, for your care. I'm fine. And again, you guys know the reason for this, what I'm doing. I hate bullying in my life. And I hate nonsense. As a matter of fact, there's people who went to Ayoyowa, their adulterous Monica, to tell her about their personal issue. They didn't bring nobody. I'm not bothered about those ones. I know a lot of them. I've heard a lot of them that told adulterous Monica Ituari their own personal issue, right? But I did not. I'm not going to bring it because I didn't bring it because it's their personal issue. They didn't bring someone else. So why I'm actually doing this? Why will you have to bring your friend or somebody you have issues with in UK or your baby father just for this little Agbinwe of 36 years? By this month she will be 37 to be using their head. I hate things like that. That was why she now developed wings and felt, so I can beat no Kekode, I can beat no. No, me, I don't do that. Issue with me, issue with. That is it. They were encouraging her. And again, now she's Esther Idokpayi and Destiny Ebagwa. Now she's playing Esther Idokpayi song. You people should not be cajoled. She has 21 spirits. Esther Idokpayi, if she not come and apologize to you, I will not say you should not forgive her. You should continue keeping grudges with her. Because I don't tell people what to do. But if Monica must, if adulterous Atuari Monica must want to reconcile with you, Esther Idokpayi and Destiny Ebagwa, she has to do it the way she also embarrassed you guys. Forgiveness is good if you want to do it, but it doesn't make sense. If you want to, now she's playing Esther's song. Esther, use your sense. This guy is a manipulator. She's going to manipulate you and you will think we are going. Then she will come back and strike you again. She's playing this song for people to be carried away. You know, as supporters, you know, those that came from Libya route, Libya erosion, village to Europe, Mughals, and all of that, perpetual benefit people. They are in benefit for over 20, 30 years. Man, is that how it runs? You know? So, you better be wise, Esther Dokpayi and Destiny Bagwa. And some days ago, I was just walking on the street of Facebook, and I saw the adulterous Atuari, where she posted something like, one of the UK mamas here and she don't open. Listen, people, she was just trying to divert you guys' attention. You know, as to make it look as if, oh, there's a UK person or we have some UK person who talks to me. As a matter of fact, once I know you are from UK, I block you off because I don't want any of them messaging me so that the day where I go, say they go tell Monica anything, I no go fit talk. I don't do it. So if she's writing one UK, she should bring the UK person. She should bring the UK person because all what I have said is what she told her friends. What she told her ex-friend, Lolo. And she came out the other day to say, I did not gossip anybody to my friend. Are you guys for real? Oh, just one day she spoke with Mommy Love, and you guys heard all what she said about ex-friend. Let alone a friend they've been for, let alone someone they've been together for 10 good years. Let's even say for the past 5 years that they've been on this social media stuff. As soon as they drop, as soon as they finish calling her, the next person she takes the phone to call is her ex-friend, Lolo. Or was it the day Philomena Eriyo was explaining herself? Lola was on the other phone listening to Philomena Eriyo, the Eriyo family. Eriyo family, I'm coming for you people now, because your sisters just came to look for my trouble. I was just on my own, no. According to Monica, she never looks for anybody trouble, because that is what this Abiyani Mwere, the both followers of Monica, that is what they like. Oh my way, so me, I'm going to be using all that for them as well now. She said she did not gossip anybody to her friend. Are you for real? You did not gossip anybody. It was your friend there, the day Tina Ugiagbe, the one you said she's the share lady of Away March in Dubai. Was she there the day they host you? The day the Papa Wala sprayed you and Ambrose were fighting for the money? Was she there? The day Papa Wala was shaking his penis to you. Your friend saw the video. So who do you think you're talking about? You are a manipulator. You can only manipulate those who want to be manipulated, not somebody like me, not somebody like the Golden family. You get? You know? She's just trying to manipulate there is one UK Nyash person has open. Bring the UK person. And like I keep saying, if all what I have said about those women you did not tell your friend, when I don't say that is what I said. I said if they want to swear, they know Monica Natamosio. That is what I remember when what here but we are bad do Monica see no get Susie ni oh why big yo why fake me no ya TNG because them Monica Tuari the adulterous woman, if she told her friend, if she ever discussed something like that with a friend, some people said, oh, even if she do, it was not supposed to be her. But when Lola told her a personal, a private thing about her, she brought it out for a 6-hour show. She brought it out for a 3-hour show on the 5th of April. You guys did not know that her friend kept quiet for 7 good weeks. Like I keep saying, I'm not going to keep quiet for just 2 weeks. I'm going to come back to fight you. The lady that did the information, but if only she can tell you what she's passing through in my own hand. Yes, I've been in this country years before she came. So people, anytime, like Golden family, I keep telling you, always be a deep thinker. Always think out of the box. Anytime you see her put all those, she's trying to manipulate people. She's trying to stir up unnecessary chaos just to get favor. You people think you are not doing a good thing, my people, my lovers. Susie, I saw Ojeku Bell. He's not calling people. Why then I am more like Webo? Why then I am more like Webo? You people think they are not getting this message. Susie, that is so useless. The news and all the TMA then I am more. We are just see Yagbewa. Ya boy can just see Yagbe. All the TMA ya. Why then I am moving like Webo? That is Susie, the useless girl. The social media depressed nuisance. When they will call they will call Monica and be bringing people issue and saying some kind, and her ex-friend will say, what are you doing with these people? Always saying, you know, they are curing their depression. Depression. This is what they use in curing their depression. This is what this is calling their depression. You know. So that is it. Susie now is not calling everybody. If Corona finish, can you help? Can you people help to bring her daughter? Because y'all working. I also see Sandra I saw your way. Ojeku Lita. Why are you out of social media? Oh, make 36 years, mama, if working, Monica deceive you where. Of you, keep besa no rock, your vieya gnagbe. Where your wife, why you fialasa, and no zibanu cia, where darkness, OJ. Complete darkness. You know, all those of una wey be so una yash dirty, una story, una family story, it's full of shit. You people will come and be crying. All those of you I have mentioned, Iye boy is in Nigeria. People should tell her to help you start going to a boss house now, because there is a particular woman. Let me tell you, let me even introduce this woman now, because you will be the next. I just pray I have chance because I'm kind of busy now. There is a particular woman in I don't want to mention where the woman is, but she's so many musicians have used her name to sing. She did something with a very close person, and it's that person that knows about that thing. And the person called Monica to tell Monica, hey, my people, if you not hear this story, you guys should be careful. All this una godmother that they say people are always choosing in Europe. If you see what that woman did, it's only one woman that know that her best friend that is aware called Monica to say, look at what happened to this person. Madam, let me tell you so that you will know yourself. You are the person that told your friend that this one, that you are a friend to Monica. You are the one. If you know when you say welcome Monica, I am coming. Those of you who don't know how to go to Ebo, since because of Corona, call Mama Boy to help you go to Webo. And Wakiatiebo de Monica Natamosio. Even when Wayatiebo, not until people start doing that, men say you were a buwa bereken wanasieva. As far as say they are yo. If I get peaceful na juju because una not talk truth. We go one of una some people visit una, some of una member una, the people that have measured there, the people who say they want key, they want bring 1 million, una sleep like dog, like goat wey don die, wey dey roast. What via come that there, we not on. So those of you that have been mentioning her name, Wakiatebo de Monica Natamosio, who am I not tired? Wajoma no Rudi Medoji Jata fellow. You get what I mean? Now that Mama Boy is around, you people should send that no go look more in Nigeria because a corona go bana. When Oguwa look boy, and Oguwa ya atie bo, or atie de Monica Nata Mosio, and was a dead doni. If I say Rio of Germany, what is my business with you that you were looking for my children's picture? If I say Rio, the Egbenomunorie, that get a bodies like that of a chimpanzee. Are you people really taking a look on that dirty girl, the one that is in Aduro as, hey, if I say get cutting or ripalu when I agree me. They sent Ivie Fase my children's picture. And my own, she couldn't post it. You see my children, those children are not government properties. Those children were not trained with benefit money. I work hard in this Netherlands. My husband works in this Netherlands. Ivie Lawa, the transgender. Ubege pishi viveni ya sendi gwe biekani ke monire benefita. Ibiekani re monata where I not get husband me where you and your husband they house. If you eriyo ifase, you said they have made you popular. The popularity you have is a bad publicity. If I say if you eriyo, iwetera de vewa, era wugbe ijwe gugbe ragbere imi noja, imi obalo imi ere ni jweja. If you ifase. Lawa, de wori kose. Ivie ifase. Eriyo, where they use Eriyo to the shop aduro. They said your father is the gate man of no molest. And that's why I'm coming for you. What you said about no molest, the whole world is going to hear now because Monica said it. Osakpama no molest. Somebody should invite Osakpama no molest. Hey, all this useless family self. Oh, I'm great so bobo family, so bobo person. If you ifasere yo, that your shoe that is like a agbegi shoe. Who invited you in this whole squabble? Who invited you in this whole controversy? If you ifasere yo, aka Madam Lawa. See the curtain, see the blinds you have in your room. See the TV. So you are in a Duro house and you uwe publicity we popular and you have a bad publicity. That your shoe that is like the year Nigeria got it amalgamation. 1914. Do not fear. You can't snap that kind of shoe. Poster. Hey. Hey. If I no, come, let me even tell you. So you don't have one child of your own, and you are looking for you were looking for my kid. Monsieur nous je yo wegbe ivie ganoma bie. Noma bie jane we o. Ivie ifase eriyo. No na lori ere na rabi ju anate we gege mu we emi balo ni anje. Emi poverty ni anje. Era bi ju ke wa wi amarie wa agbon. I told you guys before, my parents are on my payroll. Hey. Look at the shoe that she put on. When I agree magua, money train more. No, I'm not just single mother benefit ya train more. No, those my legit single mother. I'm not talking to you people. You guys know the drill now. If I say Eriyo, you are using Eriyo's name to take Aduro. Since they cannot tell you to stop it, I am coming to insult all the Eriyos because I not send you a message, eh? I not invite you now for this thing, for this issue where they. Abana Yashu. So if I say, when you don't even know how labor pain is. My 4 children. You see the picture of my 4 children that you have. Those kids, do they look like single mother benefits? Children? Do they look like children that we are trained or brought up with my husband? I get husband. If government they come your house, yeah, carry all your clothes, come out. You saw those children. My people, do you people know why they could not post the picture, my picture that they are? Because they thought they were going to see one lazy, one ugly, you know? Lo and behold, they saw the picture and they were dismayed, they were astonished, they were flabbergasted. They were surprised. They never knew. Because all of una think say na everybody they take benefits for abroad. Imagine Adesuwa Eriyo, more than 20 years in benefits. Chai, you guys who are for. If you Ifase Eriyo, so you don't have a child and your belly is like tanker, 3 tankers together. Esitoteki Okmanekoweya, Esitoteki don't spoil if you Ifase a womb. Then he made Melissa your Sarah, then he made Sivo. If you Ifase, I said by the time I start with you, the Eriyo family will not be able to rescue you from my hand. Because I did not call you into this issue. You say you want buy market, you don't see market, you go buy yam. If you Ifase Eriyo, can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, say yes. Can you hear me? Hello, can you still hear me? If you can hear me, say yes, please. Just type yes. Okay, you can hear me. Okay, yes. Okay. You can hear me. Okay. If you Ifase Eriyo, what do you want to do with my kids' picture? Hey, so you that don't even have one child, that they miss a period there. You have never experienced that. If I say you aka Mr. Lawa, the Agbegishu. The Agbegishu owner of Europe. You don't even have one child to call your own. It's teddy bear that is not consoling you in your room with the Hagboma that is paperless. How many years in Europe? At your age, you are still running from Italy to Germany to come and take a duro. Germany is about to deport all of you back to where you came from. Oh, hey, those Monica's typing all over the place. You better go and look for her to get your paper. Germany is about to do mass deportation and drive you back to close to Libya erosion where you all came from. If I say so, when I miss a message there, unaga gwalo or menene verona or meneni a government benefit amaya kokia. If you Ifase Eriyo, so you don't even have a child and your belly is as big as what? With 4 children, my belly is not even half of your own. You have my picture, you can't post it because you were thinking you were going to see one ugly, one, not too good looking person. You see my husband, they sent you my husband's picture, my kid's picture, my own picture. You couldn't post it because shoe get size. When I say now everybody now dey on a government money and a Juro house. I no get husband. In the night, when husband go sneak on, the money go come out. We don't live that kind of life. If you Ifase Eriyo, so you don't even have one man to call your own. The only thing that gives you joy is your teddy bear and that handbag of 1940 whatever that you are carrying, that you hang on your door. If you Ifase Eriyo, your father was a gateman to the Eriyo. That was how you now coined that name. If you Ifase Eriyo, where to hear Lord Yari? Uma biara agbonu riena, uve biara agbonu degbede. Let me tell you, my own sister in Brisbane, my own sister in Brisbane, Australia, called me and I said, come, the day I will hear that you brought anybody to adulterous Atuari, Trust me, I'm going to call your name. I'm going to call you out. That is my own sister, my own blood. In Australia, the day I will hear that you brought anybody from anywhere to come and give this useless girl here, I'm going to call you out. Believe me. If you after all, they said Monica is bribing everybody with human hair so that they will take side with her. If you Atuari the adulterous government a human hair after how many years, aka Lawa Motors, all the Lawa Motors, all the Lawa Sitotech, all the Lawa Maneko that you have achieved all your life, you can still not buy good human hair for yourself. If you Lawa, if I say need to analyze we wa. If I say Rio. Can you finish this battle you want to start, that you have started, as a matter of fact? If you're a serio, who still puts on that kind of jean, that kind of denim at this time of the year, at this century, who still puts on that denim? So you go to Caritas to get things, you go to charity store just like Atuari, and you want to come compete with me? If you're who gave you that denim that you wore on Saturday or on Sunday? Who gave you? Jenny, oh, Germany. According to my husband, Germany. Is this how you people? I wear Germany uloko no raze Germany giki. Hey. If you're I really want to know who gave you that denim and that trouser you put on. Who gave it to you? That Giorgio Emporio's shirt that you wore, the one that the neck has gone out of the way. Who gave it to you? Which charity store in Bremen gave it to you? Because I need to come. The border is open now. We need to drive that to come and address that issue. If I said who gave you that denim that you wore? Jesus! Is that the kind of curtain you have in your living room? Is that the kind of rug you have? Come, my people, did you people take note that the chair she was sitting on that day, she even had to spread cloth on top because that chair has cockroaches, has bed bugs, has all the issue. There should even be reptiles. If I say yo, not the very well. Agamoji. If you are frustrated, it's only teddy bear that is not your consolation. If you was that the one that said you should be taking Sitotech that made you a barren woman? Was I a partaker of that discussion? I went to school and I have my 4 kids. If you were not afraid, you were not even shy, you came up and showed us that dirty living room of yours, that dirty parlor of yours. If I say Rio, you just boldly, you just showed us that dirty curtain in your house. See the rug, see the television. Is that 18 inches television? If I say Rio, is that 18 inches television? If I say Rio, that your body that is like that is folded like that of a chimpanzee. You were not even have, instead of you to do dark video, you just came and showed us your living condition. Hey. If I say Rio, that all the man when you don't sleep with, all of them they run. Because you know they feel wash your toto, Ivieri yo, egi lalue, transgender egi lalue. No ya lalue ko when I if your po my bio my ho. We that have 4 children, you can still look at us and say, okay. You don't have one child of your own. You were looking for my own children. You want to kill 4 children. You can see that you are a failure. If you are if you faseri yo the transgender, if you say, yo, did I actually invite you in this controversy? Did I? You were not even afraid. You just came boldly. You showed us the charity pants that you wear, charity denim top that you wear, long sleeve that you were putting on, and the fake Abba made hair. Hey, Jesus. If you say, yo, who popularity? If you say, yo, who gave you that trouser you put on? If you say, yo, why do you want to kill me? If you say, yo, why do you want to kill Melissa? You will see her. I say people should go and put fire in my father's house. Go to Obadigia Street, the road beside Uselu Market. Why you fearing your wani? Archie's color Black Gate. If you yo, who gave you that television? Which charity store did you buy that 18 inches television from? Okay, if you say, did I really call you in this trouble? If you say, yo, it went over no more rugging or a living room. You went over no more way. Who gave you that rug? Who gave you that chair? And who gave you that blanket you spread on it? Hey, oh, blah, blah. If you yo, no you we bia ko eni agan oji. We may bia we may ho, una ga the picture of my 4 children. And you guys have the picture, you've not been able to post it out because you see my children, they are not on government benefits. We don't even talk about that here in my house. Gotta work, gotta go to school. If I say, was that the one that said you should be taking Cytotec? Was that the one that said you should, the last pregnancy you aborted? They said you use anger to drag the baby out of your uterus. If you was that part of that plan? Was that part of that discussion for you to kill your child? If I say yo, hey, if I say yo, let me, who gave you that cutting? That cutting. I cannot call that blinds. Who gave you that cutting in that parlor? You that don't even have a child to call your own, except the teddy bear in your room. You are looking for 4 children. You said you want to keep 4 children. You and Adesuwario. Adesuwario is a sister to, is a cousin, or I don't know how they are related to Lawa, aka 18 inches television. Everything second hand. When I tell you that this adulterous team, everything about them is second hand. After how many years in this part of the world, after how many years in Europe, you guys see you second hand. Aduro that just came from Libya will be struggling with second-hand things. You people will go there and be struggling with them too. If I say, hey, see, when she was dancing that, I was just, I said, my question was, who gave her this denim? Who gave us this jean? She said it's jeans and jeans. It's not jeans, it's jean. Denim jean. Who gave you that jean and jean that you put on? Hey, that person hates you. And they did not even tell you not to show you. You just showed everything. Your cutting, your living room, agawe uvuvuvu agawe ivieri yo. Eke la wa. Ivieri yo. Igari lowe. Hey, Diamond, what's up? Adesuweri yo. If you see that one tit, Adesuweri yo, let me just